What's the most interesting thing you've learned today?
The most interesting thing I learned today was probably our mental health.
What is that?
Our mental health and our mighty.
Can you speak louder? Because
Our mental health and our mighty throughout the week.
Okay, so the most interesting thing you've learned today was about mental health
and our mighty. So mighty can also mean how you can take care of yourself.
Right.
And also it can mean mental health means how important your body is, how your muscle, how your lungs, how your organs, how your things move, reaction, kind of like that. And your brain, the important part of the brain.
Man, that's really good. So that's what mental health is. A lot of people don't understand it.
Yes. So
can you explain it more?
It's pretty good. So mental health means how to take care of your body and the things in your body, like your organs, your tummy, your brain, and your bone. So and your blood cell. But you don't have to worry about those parts. You only need to worry about the lungs, the muscle, the brain. The brain's the important one. It tells you, hey, lungs, do that, do that, do that.
Right.
The heart makes you alive.
Tell other people.
The heart makes everything to work.
Right.
The brain and the heart, you should take care of them.
Right.
Some people will saying you to do this and this. That's why you could say people do that. Because you see, my hands are like this. My arms is like this. So my hands protecting my heart, my organs, my tummy, and my brain and my face.
Okay, so that's really cool. So the most interesting thing you've learned today was mental health.
Yes.
And the other word was what? Mighty. Okay.
Mighty.
That's really good. Your friends probably will love to hear this.
So hopefully you take care of your mental health and your mighty.
Right. I think they've heard that
I
loud
learned
and
that
clear.
from a teacher named Fire Amy. She told me about my mental health, my mighty, and my organs, my lungs, my brain, my heart, my kidneys, my blood cells, my blood vessels, my empty stomach, my tissue, my what was that called? My blood cells, what was that called? My
antibodies?
Yes, antibodies. They like little tissues with like police.
Right.
They go like, they're like big cushion balls with your
to protect you. Is that what they do?
Yes,
like
but
they
once
fight
you grow,
against. They fight on your behalf, like against the diseases or viruses, eh?
Yes, they fight against the diseases. So they use special chemicals to fight. And also this, your gum. It sounds like gums are like this. Sounds like gums are like this. No problem. But actually, gums are the important part of one of the antibiotics. You see, that's your gum, right? Who cares?
Okay, so the last question is, what's something new you want to try, and that's enough?
What's something new I want to try?
You look there, you tell your
So
friends.
like gums. Gums are like little protectors which fight. If they lose, that means the antibodies, they'll send a backup and then pew, 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 pew.
Right. So they are like your soldiers.
Yes, my soldiers.
Yeah, body soldiers. Like inside your body, there's soldiers who really fight for yourself. Like they help you fight against diseases or viruses or bacteria.
So they go pew, pew, pew. And then some people go.
So what do we have to do to make them become stronger?
What we have to do: eat proteins.
Wow.
Eat
Okay.
proteins. Eat certain fruits each day.
How
Some
about
people
vegetables?
say
How about
even
vegetables?
vegetables are proteins
Yeah,
too.
but how
like
about
carrots.
vegetables?
Like-
Do you eat vegetables here?
Well, now I start improving, but I used to hate vegetables. But now I'm improving. Sometimes I eat a little bit of salad, and sometimes I also. That's what they do. Your antibodies. See, when I coughed it, they punched the germs, and then when I cough, they're pushing the germs out.
Say bye-bye to your friends. Here we go. It's overdue.
And your gums are like little soldiers, which first start and then they have the antibodies, which are shield.
Yeah.
And then have your gum, which this attacks. The
I
gum
think that's
has
enough.
shield.
Let's go.
Use this shield, make sure they don't come.
Yeah.
And
How about
the
in the next
sun-
video,
this
tell
tag.
your friends about this? So,
Yeah, so much information. So thanks for watching on these ladies. Little science and mighty. So I think we should okay, sign